Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. After 34 minutes of conversation, a woman already knows if there is any potential for a long term relationship with someone. Rare spotless cheetah sighted in the wild for the first time in a century. Glowing sea creature found miles below ocean surface. Indians spend 10 years of their income in wedding. Average budget of wedding is 37 lakhs and income is 3.7 lakhs, reports. A gene mutation linked to short sleeper syndrome allows individuals to function normally on less than 6 hours of sleep. They do not experience the usual negative effects of sleep deprivation or require recovery sleep. Donkey nannies are used in Italy to transport newborn lambs from high pastures to lower plains during seasonal grazing movements known as transhumance. 40% of Americans watch TV while eating dinner. Psychologists believe that the color red signifies assertiveness and can be threatening to others. Peter Parker once made a working time machine out of household appliances. 100% of us have something to be grateful for. Pirates did not actually make people walk the plank, they usually killed them right away. If there is enough of a mineral for it to be sold commercially, like rubies or diamonds, it's not actually rare from a geological standpoint. If you went swimming on the moon, you would be able to walk on the water's surface and jump out of the water like a dolphin. Pillows were originally only used by wealthy Asian rich men, and some were discovered in Egyptian tombs. Lips don't sweat. Ancient Greeks loved furry socks. The merman came before the mermaid. Emerson Moser retired after 37 years of making 1.4 billion crayons for Crayola, later revealing that he was colorblind. Superman is a vegetarian because the writers said it was better for his instincts. When General Motors unveiled the Camaro name in 1966, Automotive Press asked Chevrolet product managers what is a Camaro and were told it was a small vicious animal that eats Mustangs. Shortest living horse male is 22.36 inches. In Istanbul, there are vending machines that dispenses dog food for stray dogs if you put an empty water bottle in it for recycling. In the womb, an embryo fetus grows 250,000 new neurons per minute, a million neurons every 4 minutes for 9 straight months. Shri Gopal Das Padamse Kapadia was the first member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Egyptian art often portrays pharaohs as slim and athletic, but this may have been inaccurate. The Egyptian diet was high in sugar, and many pharaohs were overweight and unhealthy. There was once a time in this country when you could work 40 hours a week. Your spouse did not have to work and you retired at 60 with a pension. Today, 40 hours a week is barely enough to pay rent and utilities. Even with dual incomes, this is a reality of 45 million Americans. This corpse comes to the same neighborhood after every shift with snacks and soda and chills with the kids who live here for at least an hour. Sometimes he brings a football and plays a few games. In the summer, when it's hot, he bought slip and slides and water guns for the children, and in the winter, he bought coats and hoodies. In March 2019, diver Rainer was snorkeling near Port Elizabeth, South Africa, when a Bride's whale accidentally engulfed him headfirst while feeding. Feeling pressure, realized he was too large to swallow, bringing instant relief. The whale soon released him unharmed. Allman Brown, Stroger, and Undertaker noticed his business was losing clients to a competitor whose wife, a telephone operator, redirected calls meant for Stroger. To address this, he invented the first automatic telephone exchange. Born as Krishna Bhanji, Sir Ben Kingsley changed his name early in his career. This decision significantly boosted his opportunities, transforming responses. The Inuit have long believed that polar bears are left-handed. They teach their young to jump to the left of a charging polar bear to avoid being clawed by its left paw. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to the loss of bone mineral density in the body. This in turn causes bloating and weight gain. A handful of nuts like almonds, walnuts, or chana can help to fight against this. Fun facts about television. The British show Top Gear is the most watched TV show in the world. In 2008, a 30-second advertisement on the Super Bowl podcast costed $2.7 million. It is calculated that kids watch around 13,000 deaths on TV between the age of 5 and 14. Watching TV for an extended period of time can actually start killing of brain cells. In August 2006, NASA announced that they had lost all the original footage from the Apollo 11's TV transmission. The first television was invented in 1927. Children that watch more than 4 hours of a TV a day are more likely to be overweight. Thanks for watching.